Hi, welcome to Crypto News. I'm Anelia, your host today. On this channel, we will keep you updated with the most important and recent news about the crypto market. If you are interested and want to make the most money out of this market, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's start today's video with some hot news for the Bitcoin enthusiasts. According to CoinDesk, Bitcoin continued its surge from Monday despite ongoing investor unease over FTX fallout, central banks' aggressive monetary policies, and the potential impact of mass protests in China. The largest crypto by market cap was recently trading nearly $17,000, surging nearly 4.5% during the previous 24 hours, and its highest point in about 2 weeks. Bitcoin has shown remarkable resilience, holding largely about $16,000 in nearly a month since FTX started to implode. Ethereum fared even better, climbing more than 7.5% to $1,272, its highest level since the second week of November. Other significant cryptos assume various hues of green, most of them dark with Uni, the token of the intelligent contracts-based Uniswap platform, and Sushi, the token of the decentralized exchange SushiSwap, each recently rising over 7%. Finally, the popular meme coin Doge continued its momentum, rising 6% to trade at about $10.7. Doge has jumped roughly 50% over the past week. So, what exactly is happening here? Can we be confident that BTC will keep rising this week? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Here's another good news. Huobi Global's HT token jumped in digital asset markets Tuesday. This happened right after the cryptocurrency exchange said it would airdrop to users the world's first national token Domica coin, DMC. Domica coin DM will be issued as a fan token on the Tron network to promote Domica's natural heritage and tourist attractions. DMC will be issued on the Tron blockchain, TRC20, then later expanded to both Ethereum, ERC20, and Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. Huobi stated in the announcement that the DMC token would be issued for sale through Huobi Prime, the exchange's inclusive token offering platform. Moreover, the DMC token will allow holders to obtain passport issued by the government of Dominica, enabling holders access to over 130 countries without a visa. The HT token is up 15% over the last 24 hours to $7.12. It's up 40% over the last 7 days. The deal is noteworthy partly because of its connection to the crypto billionaire Justin Sun. The Dominica tokens are set to be launched on Sun's Tron blockchain, and Sun recently acknowledged holding tens of millions of HT. Last month, Huobi also named Sun the first member of a new global advisory board. So, can Sun push Huobi's ecosystem to a new height? And do you think that HT token prices keep soaring? Next, here's the shocking news that attracted a great attention of investors. As mentioned in the previous video, a hacker stole around $477 million worth of cryptocurrency from the FTX exchange. On November the 20th, the hacker began transferring their Ether holding a new wallet address and became the 27th largest ETH holder. Today, the FTX hacker reportedly transferred 225 Bitcoin BTC to OKX after using the Bitcoin mixer. This is the latest action of the FTX hacker after a few days of silence. According to cryptocurrency analyst ZachXBT, at least 225 BTC worth about $4.1 million have been sent to OKX. He has also reported that the FTX hacker started sending BTC into chip mixture on November the 23rd after using the RandBridge cross-chain bridge. In his analysis, he shared that he has seen a pattern with addresses receiving funds from chip mixer, and each of the addresses follow a similar pattern: withdrawal from chip mixer, 50% peels off, and then 50% deposit to OKX. Following that, the director of OKX shared on Twitter that OKX is aware of the situation and the team is investigating the wallet flow. The fact that hackers managed to drain assets from FTX Global and FTX.US at the same time. However, these two entities are completely independent. This became a hot topic of discussion within the crypto community and raised speculations about its possibility being an inside job. After all, users have to suffer the most damage. Many investor assets are still stuck on the FTX because of the trouble between the parties involved in the case. Another breaking news is that Coinbase, the largest US-based cryptocurrency exchange, announced a delist of 4 coins: Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, Ripple's XRP, and Stellar's XLM. The assets will no longer be supported on December the 5th. However, users with balance can withdraw after that date with a recovery phrase. The exchange also warns users that any attempts to send or receive unsupported assets on the platform will cause users to lose them. In addition, Coinbase took note on low usage as its reasons. However, XRP remains the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market cap according to CoinMarketCap. So, is this the real reason behind the decision? What is Coinbase trying to hide? After leaving a mess at his bankrupt exchange and bringing chaos to the global crypto market, Sam Bankman-Fried faced several legal trouble. According to the blog, the Texas State Securities Board wants Sam to testify on February the 2nd in response to an enforcement action issued today alleging that FTX violated multiple state security laws. On November the 29th, the regulator accused Sam of multiple violations stemming from FTX corporate activity in the state and internationally failed to disclose material facts. Requested by the regulator, interestingly, the investigation even predated FTX's early November collapse and relates to the company's interest-bearing accounts and stock trading. The agency was already looking into the firm before it filed for bankruptcy protection earlier this month. Additionally, forecasts cited lawyers saying that Sam could face decades in jail, convicted of law violations in FTX collapse. Richard Levin sent his word to Sam via forecast. With respect to the criminal sanction, depending on the number of violations and the dollar value of violations, under the federal sentencing guidelines, you could be looking at potential criminal liability that could exceed 20 years of incarceration. Meanwhile, Braden Perry, former senior trial attorney at CFTC and partner at law firm Kennedy Perry, told forecasts that Bankman-Fried could even face the life in federal prison without the possibility of supervised release. Despite facing multiple legal troubles, Sam is not likely to keep his mouth shut. Instead, he keeps making public statements on social media and on the press. He claimed his actions were legit and regret that he should not have filed for bankruptcy but kept raising money instead. Is Sam going to pay for what he has done? Let's stay tuned. So that's the end of the video today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updated information about the crypto industry. I'm Anelia. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.